Alright, back to the channel, folks. Yes, sir. On today's e-bike adventure, this is the part 2 of our Rancho's Palos Verdes mountain bike ride excursion. We got our good friend Angelito showing us the way. We've already seen some awesome, nice trails. The San Vicente Point lighthouse, which was closed. But now we're going to check out some fun surfing area. Oh gosh, you guys. Yeah, this bike is awesome. So we're going along the PCH, off-roading, checking out clothes and bike trails that we can find. And so far it's been super amazing. Big clouds opened up. It's now a sunny day on this Memorial Day. And this is like my my third time on my wife's newly built e-bike. She has a Trek P190, but so far it's been real nice ride with the guys here. Ooh. Wow, that's steep. Is there an easier route? Or? Oh, the bridge. I think I'll... Where are you going? Well, that looked okay. This is smooth, right? Like, I think Fullerton was worse. Okay, let me turn off my motor. Alright. Oh my gosh. Steep downhill. Oh, Lord. Alright. Yikes. Check on Angelito. That was pretty steep. There was a part where it just drops. Oh, you gonna walk it, Angelito? Okay, he's gonna walk it. That's fine. Let me see if I can help. Yeah, that's pretty steep. You can see. You could have done that one. Yeah, no worries. Look at this scene, guys. If you're like into nature and trails, you know, I just wish like Super73 made e-bikes that can do these kind of trails. I would wish that they have, you know, thinner tires and like more springier and agile e-bikes. I think definitely would consider. Oh, don't change on me there. Yes, sir. All right, let's get to it. Some kind of hidden surfer's cove, only known to locals here. It's nice to have that we have a local tour guide. Okay. Looks like we're going left soon. Perhaps. Let's check it out. Let's get closer to the water, if we can. What's that? Cliff. Oh, cliff. Yeah. Huh. I still have about 76% battery. We're about our 15.5 miles. I'm afraid of the height. You sure? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Roller coaster time. Okay, neutral stance. Just just want to make sure that I'm recording. I can't tell. Yeah, okay, I am recording. Just wanted to verify that, so that way you guys see. Okay, we're heading towards the Surfer's Cove of some sort. And there's a lot of people. It is Memorial Day after all. Okay, let's gain some speed a little bit. A little bit of rock garden, so that's going to be a little bit challenging on the way up. Kind of loose terrain. But we have an e-bike, so we're good. Hello, hello. Yeah, thank you. There's one more behind. Thank you. Hello. Here we go. Oh, are we climbing that? Because now I'm going to have to turn on my motor if we're climbing this. Yo, guys. That is steep. Yo. Yeah, didn't turn on the motor in time. Yeah, no one is, we just only got surfers, it looks like.
Yeah, some people over here.
It's probably cold-ish.
Oh, yeah, it's cold.
Yeah.
But you can get over here.
There you go, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3. All right, we're leaving this break spot. Kind of hung out here for about 5 minutes. The Bluff Cove Trail. Now we're heading back. I need to be on the right kind of gear already before even these folks are. Oh, sand in my eyes. Yikes. Sand got in my eyes. To your left. Thank you. Okay, I was on the phone. Oh, that was a bad time to get sand in my eyes. To your left. Thank you. And people left me already. Let me change my gear. One more. So yeah, we're the only ones biking here today. Thank you. I'm the last one. Thank you. Ooh, here's the rock garden part. Excuse me. And some books. Hello. Hello, hello. Alright, I think that was the most technical part. Kind of opens up here. It's always scary when it's loose. When the ground is loose and you're going uphill.
Someone on the road right there.
Where? Oh yeah. Yeah, rappelling, tide pools. You ever done grunion running?
I don't know, what is that?
Oh yeah, I'll tell you. It looks fun. Yeah. It's like you look at the moon calendar,
Okay.
and then there's times where fishes are just on the shore.
Okay.
It's normally like around midnight to 1 a.m. and you just grab it.
Okay, I think I've heard of that. I didn't know it was called that.
Yeah, it's fun. They have a calendar. Grunion calendar. Look it up. Oh, you're looking at the rappelling part? Okay. All right, Jay looks like a...
Watch the bike.
Okay, yeah. All right, let me look really quick. You okay there? You look like you're on a cliff. You're so close to the cliff, Angelito. You're scaring me. Yeah. How to rappel down?
If you want to.
Let's cut it. Yeah.
Exciting.
Yeah, someone just made this too. Like.
You give it to a dummy,
Yeah, look, I'm not even pedaling, and we're just going up. Hello. Okay, now let's pedal. Let's get it. Don't slide out here. Yes, sir. Those kids were saying, wow. They were wowed. They were like, wow. Yeah, forget it. I mean, if you're outdoorsy like us, there's a Super73 or an aerial rider will not be able to do that. Yeah. But if you had an electric mountain bike, it's a different story. You're just so much more agile and versatile and even portable. This is like less than 60 pounds, this bike. That's fun. And definitely grab yourself some mountain bike buddies so you can do amazing terrain and excursions and adventures like this one. And if you're interested, check out my useful links in the description below. We're going to be doing more off-roading, more terrains and excursions like this. Yeah, Rossler's Point. Yeah. Yeah. Like, it's pretty,
5 minutes, but
oh yeah, well, it's nice. Like, people just stop here and, like, take pictures and stuff.
I don't know, like 200-300 monthly.
Wow, $300 for membership in here? Monthly? Yeah.
And then 15,000 to be the lead.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. But, you know, you enjoy everything.
Yeah, crazy. Hey, we're leaving Rossler's Point. And our group leader asked how many miles we've gone. It's saying here 16.9, so pretty much 17 on my end. And he's like, all right, we'll do about double more. Since he's retired, he said he has nothing else to do. Yep. Definitely a good tool to know is being able to jump over rocks, curbs on your e-bike, on your mountain bike for sure. Definitely a skill that you need. All right, uphill time. Let's get it. They're already up ahead. Oof. Oof. Come on. Come on, you. Yeah, all you need is a BBS02. Thank you, guys. Here we go. Oh, this is the mall that he's speaking about. I don't consider this a mall. Pizza break, bakery break, coffee break, and what have you. I don't consider this a mall at all. Ooh, I almost did a wheelie there. It's all about timing here. So, if I'm not mistaken, I remember we're kind of like heading towards Redondo Beach area. But if we make a right, we're just heading towards nice scenery trails here. I mean, tall trees. I've been here before. I remember with my Zugo rhino, I was here for sure. What a day so far. What a nice day. Seeing a lot of other e-bikers. And we're here by the golf course now. And Rancho Verdes is just beautiful. Always a beautiful day to bike here. And even if it's not the trails, even if it's not the off-roading adventure that we originally had planned, there's still a ton of other options to hit up here. Okay, we're taking a little bit of off-roading here. Oof. Gotta dial down. My bike is too strong. Here we go. Yeah. My man Angelito definitely knows these little trails, little pocket of trails. Biking pretty much have the same courtesy as hiking. Give people some space, especially this pandemic, and you give bikers much more space than hikers because we have a lot of momentum, whether it's going uphill or downhill. Hello. Thank you. All right, our turn. Let's get it. Rattlesnakes. Sign. Oof. Yo. Oh, my chain was a little bit popping there. Okay, I'm back on track. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Yep, chain's popping a little bit, but that's kind of normal. Putting some strain of it on it a little bit. All right. Here we go. I definitely want to do this ride again. This is awesome. Whoa. Man. Rancho Verdes have it all. It's crazy nice views here. You can see Redondo Pier from here. Oh shoot, we're going uphill. Come on. I'm not pedaling. I'm just standing on my bike. I'm lazy right now. And let's just use our battery. Look at that 180 view. Torrance, Redondo, even Santa Monica from a distance. Love it. Loving this trail. I'm doing the lazy e-biking. That's what I love about these bikes too. They give you your pedal extension, your leg extension that you need. So if you want to exercise, you're more than, I ran into a sandy area. You're more than welcome to exercise. Or if you want to just hang back, you can just use the motor part, obviously, and still be able to enjoy the scenery. Nice. As long as you look like a bike, they're cool with you for the most part. But if you're like a motorcyclist or something else, then they kind of give you a little bit of a look, like when I had a surron. I remember. Water break? Yeah. All right. One last look, appreciation station, and we're heading towards where we pretty much started. So let's get to it. Yeah, only if you are comfortable. Okay, no more car. I hear you. No worries. Guess he's getting speed. Well, I'm in the right gear to try to pop a wheelie. Yeah. Going uphill. My other white bike, the GT4, somehow, yeah, I think it's definitely because of the motor. Definitely torquier, and I can get the front wheel up a lot faster with a lot less effort. Don't have to really preload or anything like that. At least these are my observations. And I haven't done anything in terms of modifying the settings or anything. Everything is just stock. Yeah. I need to get my... Yeah. Preload. Preload. I don't think my bike has enough torque at 750 watt only. Because my other one, the 1000 one, I can actually get it up. But this one is, I don't know. Yeah, not too torquey. Yeah, the gearing, yeah. Yeah. We're trying. That's a beast of a bike. Bike? I should look that up. But it sounds really loud. You just know when you hear a strong motor, you just know it. I have to get away from the car. His bike is just pedal assist. So he has to pedal. Our leader. Almost there, folks. Almost there. Kind of little bit learning how to work this bike. Definitely the timing on the throttle is just so much different than our other one. Oh yeah, it's so much harder on flat now. It was a little bit easier going uphill when I tried. Alright folks, that's today's e-bike adventure. We are almost back from where we started, and we have got about 23.8 miles so far, so about 24 miles on today's nice riding around Rancho's Verdes. Lots of nice views here, by the way. You can't go wrong. Even just driving by in the car. Really nice windy roads with the ocean, Pacific Ocean view.